Hey guys, and welcome to another video. So today I have my glossy box for September. Don't even know what month I'm in anymore. So I'm going to open this up. Alright, I don't know if I even remember what's in this month's box. I only know the sneak peek. I'm not going to look at the card because I want to keep it a surprise. So... oh, okay, I got some cool stuff in here. So let's start off with this. Oh, in the corner. Pure and Fabulous Wild Garden Eau de Parfum. Interesting, natural spray. Nice, okay. Invariably pure and fabulous, the water lily floats innocently in the middle of the pond, but it can't hide its fabulous personality that makes it shine out of the crowd, pure and fabulous just like you. Interesting. Okay, you know I love my perfumes. This is 15 ml. Okay, that's cute. Wild Garden Water Lily. Oh, I like that. I like it. Oh, I like it. This would have been like the perfect summer fragrance. I really like that. I really like that. Next we got Karl Lagerfeld and Model Co. collaboration lip liner Rosewood. Oh, I love lip liners. Like, I'm like obsessed almost with buying lip liners. I've got a whole pot of lip liners over there. Okay, let me see what the colour's looking like. It's like a blush pink, which is perfect because I have like the nicest... oh, it just about matches my lip colour today because I don't have a lip liner that actually really matches this lip colour, and I've been obsessed with like these Bourjois the One matte lipsticks, so that is perfect. So it's like a purple and it's like a pink, so you could use either of the two. Love it. And then we got some Wet Ones Be Fresh hand wipes. I was actually thinking about getting like a load of these from work because I just like to have wet wipes in my bag sometimes, just because, you know, sometimes I just don't want a tissue. I want something wet to actually cleanse my hands, so that's good. Keep that in my bag. And then we got Bang Beauty. What's this? Bang Beauty, I have to open up because I don't know what it is. Eyebrow? I think this is an eyebrow kit. Yeah, this is an eyebrow kit. This is, oh yes, this was in the sneak peek. This is dark brown brow cream. I think this might be a little bit too light for me. It has a little bit more of an orange undertone. I need more of an ashy, like a cool tone in my eyebrows because my hair is like super dark. But yeah, that's pretty cool, and it's got a little brush with it as well, which is really adorbs. And we also have Grow Gorgeous Scalp Detox Exfoliating Pre-Wash Treatment. Huh? Our Scalp Detox has been specially formulated to care for the skin beneath your hair, helping to remove impurities that block the pores and disrupt hair and scalp health. Interesting. Use 1 to 2 times a week as a pre-wash treatment before cleansing hair. Wet hair before applying a generous amount to your scalp. Use your fingers to massage the product all over the scalp in circular motions. Leave for a few minutes to allow the cooling sensation and purifying properties to detoxify the scalp. Thoroughly rinse and cleanse your hair using Grow Gorgeous cleansing conditioner and shampoo. Okay, cool. That's interesting. I'm actually going to use that. I think I'm going to wash my hair tomorrow, to be honest. I just washed my hair, I think yesterday. I'm going to wash it tomorrow with this, and I'm going to try that out. And then, last but not least, we got Beauty Pro Detoxifying Bubbling Cleansing Mask with Activated Charcoal. I've never tried these bubbling masks, so it's going to be really fun to use. I might use that either today, tomorrow. I love to use face masks on my days off. Like, I haven't worn makeup all that day. I just want to, you know, help my skin out a little bit. Just want to zhuzh it up a little. So that's cool. So this is suitable for all skin types, non-drying formula, deep pore and blackhead cleansing, refines pores and reduces oil, suitable for acne-prone skin. 10-minute treatment, awesome, and it's cruelty-free. I love it. All right, on the card, nice. Very, very nice. So I always look at the October sneak peek and it says trick or treat. I'm so excited for Halloween. I don't think I'm going anywhere, but I'm still going to dress up. For why? For no reason. Just to dress up and have fun with it. But it says, trick or treat, what's coming to your door? We're treating you to the intense anti-matter lipstick from Ilmaska, RRP £20 to vamp up your look this Halloween. Watch out for our very special October editions. Oh, baby, I can't wait for that. That's exciting. I love Ilmaska as well. So starting off with what we have, it says back to school edition. Yeah, I kind of get that, you know. Back to school, you know, simple. You just want your eyebrows a little bit done, you know. Hand wipes that are like antibacterial, refreshing hand wipes in your bag. You want your hair to be all pimping. Maybe a little bit of a lip liner, you know, just to spruce it up. And a bit of a perfume. That's perfect. And a face mask before you go, you know, and do your face up. That's pretty cool. So it says Beauty Pro, the detoxifying bubbling face mask with activated charcoal. We know that September can be a tiring time, so we're bringing you this award-winning sheet mask to revive your skin. Awesome. Using activated charcoal and extracts of lime, lemon, apple, orange and grapefruit, this mask is a wonder for detoxifying your skin, refining pores and reducing oil. Love it. You know when you hear so many like nice ingredients that you're so familiar with, lemon, apple, orange, grapefruit, I love it. It just makes me feel more at home, so I'm not like getting confused with the ingredient names. This is RRP £4.95, which is decent. It's a decent price for a face mask, especially if it's got all those nice bits and bobs in it, which I love. Next we have the Wild Garden perfume, which I can still smell while I talk, and it smells so refreshing and so lovely. And I love how it's in a little skinny bottle like this, so you can kind of put it in your bag sideways or however your bag is. Mine, it would fit sideways. It says, with notes of pear, water lily and warm amber, this brand new perfume will transport you to a beautiful wild garden. Lovely. So it's really florally. It smells really floral, but it smells very, very nice. And that's RRP £12. This is a full size of the 15ml. Full size of the 15ml. Then we got this Bang Beauty Eyebrow Cream. It says you can get HD brows at home and you can use the angled brush for it and your brows will stay in place. This is RRP £16.80, which is kind of expensive. I mean, I say that it's kind of expensive. I'm like really, really trying not to buy another Anastasia Beverly Hills brow wigs, because this is £22 for like a £22, man. I can't bring myself to buy it at this point. But yeah, £16.80 for the brow cream, and it doesn't match my hair colour. I'm kind of sad, but you know, I might use it on my best friend or something. But yeah, it seems pretty awesome. I've seen tutorials and people use it before. Whoa, okay, I just saw the price for this and I'm a bit like, huh? Karl Lagerfeld and Model Co. Lip Liner Rosewood. Lining your lips is an essential for defining and prolonging the wear of your lipstick. Now you can enhance your pout with this soft wax lips pencil, or soft wax lip pencil, a bit of a tongue twister. We love the creamy formula and subtle colour too. Apply directly to the contour of your lips to create the illusion of a fuller pout. RRP £25. Yes, you heard right, £25. That's a lot of money. That's a lot. I don't think I'd ever pay £25 for a lip liner. I think the most I've ever spent was a MAC lip liner, and that was once in my life, never again. That's it. When I can get £1 lip liners from MUA, you know? Next we have the Grow Gorgeous Scalp Detox. This is a deluxe mini, which is RRP $7.37. A full size would be £28. Jesus, that's a lot of money. So it says scalp detoxing should be a part of your regular regime. The pomegranate enzymes and natural castor oil beads remove impurities that block your roots to create the perfect environment for healthy hair growth. We also love that it's vegan friendly and cruelty free. Love that. That's great. And then next we have the Wet Ones antibacterial hand wipes. We all know it kills 99.9. You know that 0.01 is the, you know, still lingering out there like, haha, you ain't get me. But it still kills 99.9% of the bacteria, and it's gentle and it makes your hands smell nice and good. I've used these before, you know. It's good, especially if you're out and you might eat some food. You might have some crisps in your bag and you want to eat a little bit of that, and then you're like, oh, I don't want to rub my hands on my clothes or something, and I don't have any tissues. So you have a wet wipe, so that fixes everything. And that's £1, 19 pence. And it says here, shop Boots. No. Go Superdrug. Okay, so basically that is the box. Back to school edition, I love that. I love that they have these like little editions. It's so cute, and it makes sense. When I put it all together, I'm like, yes, that's actually very smart, and I love it. So next month it is the Halloween edition, and I can't wait for that. I love Halloween, and I don't do anything on Halloween ever. I've done something on Halloween once in my life. That was it. I was like, I don't know, 4 years ago or something. But yeah, this was the box. It's awesome. I love the lip liner. I love the perfume. I'm going to put this in my bag. I'm probably going to use this tomorrow. I'm also going to use this tomorrow. And I'm going to use the brow cream. I'll just put it in my makeup box. So I might use it on someone else. So yeah, there's a lot of things in here that are actually very, very much usable. Very much worth it. The wet wipes, I'm actually very grateful. I love wipes. Wipes just solve everything. You know, you're feeling upset, use a hand wipe. You know, you need to remove some makeup off your hand, use a hand wipe. Hand wipes go with everything. So yeah, the sun's kind of in my face now because it's decided to come out. But that was the box. That was September box. If you guys did enjoy, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.